Hello everyone, my name is Chaitanya More. Today's video topic is difference between C++ and Java. So let's talk about difference between C++ and Java. First point is memory management. C++ allow manual memory management using pointers and provides features like new and delete for dynamic memory allocation and deallocation. Developers have more control over memory, but this also increases the risk of related bugs like memory leaks and damaging pointers. Second point is object-oriented versus multi-paragraph. C++ support both procedural and object-oriented programming paradigms. It allow low-level manipulation of data and pointers, whereas Java is purely object-oriented programming language and doesn't support low-level features like pointers, arithmetic, and making it more secure and robust. Say, third point is compilation. C++ code is compiled into machine code, resulting in native libraries specific to the target platform. Java code is compiled into an intermediate bytecode which runs on the Java virtual machine, that is JVM. This provides platform independence. Fourth point is pointers. C++ allow the use of pointers, giving programmers direct access to the memory addresses and provides flexibility in memory management. Whereas Java doesn't have pointers, which enhance security by preventing direct memory manipulation and reducing the risk of pointers related errors. Fifth point is exception handling. C++ uses the try, catch, and throw mechanism for exception handling, whereas Java uses a similar approach but with the try, catch, and throw keywords, providing a structured way of to handle exceptions. Next, multiple inheritance. C++ supports multiple inheritance, allowing a class to inherit from more than one class, whereas Java does not support multiple inheritance for classes to avoid compilations like the diamond problem. Instead, it uses the interfaces to achieving a form of multiple inheritance. Next, operators overloading. C++ allow overloading of pointers, enabling developers to define custom behavior of operators, whereas Java doesn't support operator overloading to maintain simplicity and flexibility. Next, standard library. C++ features the standard template library, a powerful template-based library that indicates containers, algorithms, and iterators. Whereas Java has its collection framework, but it does not tightly integrated with the language and tracks the template-based design of C++ Next, platform dependency. C++ programs are platform dependent as the compile code is specific to the target architecture, whereas Java programs are platform independent thanks to the JVM, that is Java Virtual Machine, which interprets the bytecode and provides a layer of abstraction. Next, development speed. C++ may require more lines of code for certain tasks due to the manual memory management and lower level features, whereas Java often allows for faster development with automatic memory management, that is garbage collection and a simple syntax. Uh, Next, compilation model. C++ allow a compilation model where the source code is directly compiled into machine code or an intermediate from like object files. Whereas Java follows the two-step compilation process. The source code is first compiled into bytecode, and then this bytecode is interpreted by the JVM at a runtime. Next, default values and initialization. C++ does not guarantee that initialization of primitive data types, and the other values are typically whatever happens to be in memory that location. whereas Java initialize variables to default values 0 for numeric types, false for boolean, and null for an object. If no explicit initialization is provided. Next, global functions. C++ allows the existence of global functions that are not associated with any class, whereas Java does not support standalone functions outside of classes. All functions must be part of a class. Next, header files. C++ uses files for declaration and micro definition, separating the interface from the implementation. Whereas Java does not use header files, the inheritance and implementations are typically constrained with the same files or distributed access multiple files. Next, enums. C++ support traditional enums and also introduce enums classes to avoid naming conflicts. Whereas Java has enums, but they are more limited compared to C++ enum classes, facing some features and like methods and library types. So that's it for today's video. Thank you.